Alright, so we got this GMC Sierra in here. It's cammed and all that. It was misfiring pretty bad. Sometimes it'd run good, sometimes it'd miss. And supposedly it had low compression on one cylinder. But we ran a compression test on all the cylinders. And we got 180 pretty much all around. We got 175 on 2 of them, 180 on the rest. So now we were checking the coils and we found that this coil over here is bad on cylinder 2, I believe. So we tested the coils. I mean, I got nobody else here with me. So we took apart the starter relay, and then from here you can just turn your motor over. And so what I did was get a flathead and put it on there, and it wasn't sparking. So we're gonna replace that coil.